Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of From the Ground Up. Thanks for tuning in. We're now 7 weeks into the build process. Can you believe it? Things are really starting to take shape. Just 1 week to go for the 4-way rough-in inspection for all build trades, and after we pass, we move to the drywall phase. So if you can't envision what this place will look like, you'll soon see. Alright, enough talking though. Enan here from Droid Mania, so let's do this. Doors. Very nice. They put steel plate and stuff into the doors. Can't go out here today though. They are not messing around, boy. Sink plumbing's in. Got all the outlets, one for outside too, I see. Oh, we got some bathroom stuff going on. Okay. This is the loft. It's looking good up here too. All right, since we're on this side, we'll just go ahead on in the master. Tub gonna be going in soon. Prep for the shower. And then this is the master closet. So this is the toilet room. This is the laundry room. Wow, look how good this looks. We'll go across a little catwalk that's here. This bedroom here. Cut through for the bathroom here. This is the linen closet right here. Okay, so there you guys have it. At this point, we're 1 week away from the halfway point in the build process. Like they say, time flies when you're having fun. And speaking of fun, if you've enjoyed this video, do leave a thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe before you go. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Alright, and this is the other bedroom with the closet right here.